What is up, YouTube? It is me, Wes, and I am back doing another video. Today I am on location at Plant-Based Pizzeria here in Sandy Springs, Georgia. I'm here for the first time. This is their second location, and I ordered a half and half pizza, right? I got half Philly and I got the other half the Georgia Peach. I'm excited about the Georgia Peach because I saw Miss Tabitha Brown eat that Georgia Peach at the original location. So I'm gonna try that one today along with the other half of the Philly. So let's get this pizza. So I'm back. I went in, got my pizza, and here it is. Ah! Can you see it? Can you see it? It's right there. Can you see it? So we got this half is the Georgia Peach. It has peaches, jalapenos, red onions. I think it's the vegan mozzarella. Something else is on it. I think I added extra spicy Beyond Meat on it, or it came with it. I don't really remember, but it looked good. And this side we got the Philly. It has our red and green peppers, our mushrooms, our onions on this side too. Onions, the Beyond Meat, and I believe that's it on that side. Super excited. Look at the box. Like, look at this. This looks healthy. Like, the box looks healthy. That's ridiculous. I don't know. You probably can't read it. I'll read it to you. It says certified It says certified compostable plant fiber, turns into soil in 90 days when commercially composted. World centric. So this is good for the earth. We're eating vegetables. How can it be wrong? So I think the first slice I want to try is going to be the Philly. Then I want to end it with the Georgia Peach so I can have my Tabitha Brown moment. So we're here. I need a napkin. Here we go. Good old napkin so we can try not to be messy, but whatever, it's gonna happen. So, super excited. You wouldn't even know that this is fully plant-based. First, we got this crust. It's not crispy. It's nice and soft and fluffy. It has a little bit of crisp to it, but not too much. I want to kind of fold it and see. Oh, does it fold? It kind of folds, but I guess it's folding. I ain't mad at it. I'm not mad at this at all. The cheese, you would think is cheese. The meat is meat. Vegetables, of course, you know. It is a plant already, so. But let's just taste the meat by itself. I believe this is Beyond Meat. So that was the spicy Beyond sausage. You get those traditional spicy Italian sausage flavors. The meat has a little chew to it. Has a nice texture. It's winning for me. It works well with the peppers and the mushrooms. This is bomb. Bruh. I didn't plan to eat this whole slice because I wanted to eat some of the other one, but whatever. I don't know what these flecks are in the crust. Can I see it? Those little black flecks right there. I don't know what they are. And I honestly don't even care what they are. Because this is bomb. Come get this. Come get the Philly. The Philly is busting. So the Philly was good. Now let's try the Georgia Peach. Now the Georgia Peach is the one that had the peaches on it, the jalapenos, red onions, I don't know if it originally had meat on it, but I added it to the whole pizza anyway, so I don't remember how it was, but here it is again. I hope I don't drop anything because I'll be sad. See the peaches, the jalapenos, the onions. It looks so good. My God. Oh my God. I'm making a mess. Woo, it got some heat too. I mean, it's jalapenos. They snuck up on me. But the peach is sweet. It's not too sweet, but almost kind of like a Hawaiian pizza, but like with peach instead of pineapple. So, give you that little pop of sweetness to it. The onions have a nice crunch. The crust is good. The meat on it makes it even a little more spicy. And these jalapenos is just kicking me in my throat right now. Golly. If you're in Georgia, Atlanta, surrounding areas, come to Plant-Based Pizzeria in Sandy Springs. And they have another location. Their first location is, I believe, in Northeast Atlanta. So go to either one. Look at them on Instagram. They over there. Black owned, by the way. God, you can't go wrong with this. This is some of the best pizza I had in my life. Like, no cap. Even at like full of gluten and crust and fat and egg and meat. This is the best thing I have ever had in my life, pizza wise. You can't eat this and go back to Papa John's and Domino's. Ain't no more Pizza Hut after this. This is now the standard of all pizza everywhere. But I'm gonna finish this slice. I'll be right back with y'all. Pizza was amazing. Sandy Springs, Northeast Atlanta. There are 2 locations right now. Check out Plant-Based Pizzeria. You will not regret it. I promise. Like, that's the best pizza I've ever had. It is so good. So good. Go get it, please. Go get this. Like, they doing their thing over here with pizza. They doing the thing. Black owned. Go check them out. I know they're on Instagram. I don't know about any other platforms, but I do know they're on Instagram, so look them up on Instagram. Plant-Based Pizzeria. You'll never need anything else. Atlanta, come see them. Georgia, just come. It doesn't matter where you are. Just travel to, come here, get this pizza. So that was another video of me eating some food, doing a little review. First time out here on location at any place, so you're gonna see more of that coming in the future. If you're not already, follow me on Instagram at Westwood's Cooking. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share me out, do all those good things. You know what to do. Y'all know what to do already, so go ahead and do it. But I do appreciate y'all as usual. I love y'all. Y'all are great. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Peace.